This is a review of the Stovetop Key Kettle that I would highly recommend. This is stainless steel. You can see 100% stainless steel. The quality is really extremely nice. I do want to mention the fact that I have owned this for about 5 years now, and you can see there's a little bit of wear and tear on this tea kettle, but nonetheless, that is still the main point of it is that it functions well. It's very durable. You can see the stainless steel is still even, it looks excellent as of today as well too after 5 years. One of the cool features about this tea kettle is that you could cook tea and also coffee as well too. And one of my favorite features about this is that it has an open and close button with the flip of a switch, so I could just do this and then close it like this, open it like this, close it like this, and you can see how easy it is the button right here, and it's really easy to use. And I love how the handle it is too. It feels very lightweight too, so that's a huge plus right there. And I like how it has a handle right over here. Overall, I just love how this tea kettle looks like, and how it performs is really nice as well too. It keeps my tea and coffee, like very warm, and it does the job like what it's intended for. So yeah, I would highly recommend this tea kettle for your kitchen accessories, and it is something that I definitely love using every single day. I use it every day, and overall, I just love this tea kettle.